Looking to create Apple ID accounts without your own phone number? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll introduce you to MobileSMS.io, the ultimate solution for creating and managing Apple ID accounts without the need for your personal phone number. We are also going to use X Browser and Smart Proxy to make our digital fingerprint unique and even more anonymous. Using X Browser allows you to manage multiple digital accounts easily, and with the combination of clean residential IPs from Smart Proxy, you will be successfully verifying your account hassle-free. Let's start by activating X Browser and use it to go to apple.com for us to sign up. Start filling out the needed information. At the bottom, Apple will ask for your phone number. We will go to MobileSMS.io to rent a long-term number for Apple, and we will use a number from the US. You should see your long-term number at your MobileSMS.io dashboard. Use your long-term number at apple.com and continue the sign-up process. Apple.com will first ask you to verify your email address. Next is to verify your phone number. You will see the verification code on your MobileSMS.io dashboard. It's that easy. You have now created your Apple ID account. Now, let's go ahead and log out and log back in from apple.com. As soon as you log in, you will again be asked to verify your phone number as part of their security process. All you got to do is to go back to your long-term number dashboard at MobileSMS.io and get the verification code, and you will be able to log in again. With MobileSMS.io, you have the power to explore new apps, enjoy exclusive content, and make the most out of your Apple devices. Embrace the freedom and flexibility of managing multiple accounts hassle-free. Link to Smart Proxy plus X Browser is at the description. Thanks for watching.